Standing in a crowded room and I can't see your face. Put your arms around me, tell me everything's okay.
Ftit sigħat qabel l-10 edizzjoni tal-Isle of MTV f'pajjiżna, One News iltaqa' mal-kantanta Ingliża Jess Glynn. Fl-ewwel kummenti tagħha Jess Glynn qalet li tinsab eċitata issa li qiegħda f'pajjiżna wara li s-sena li għaddiet kellha tħassar dan minħabba raġunijiet ta' saħħa.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land.
Glynn kisbet fama partikolarment b'kollaborazzjoni flimkien mal-band Clean Bandit bis-single Rather Be, grupp li jinsab hawn Malta wkoll għall-Isle of MTV.
It's been an amazing journey. You know, doing that at the beginning of my career was really exciting. And yeah, I guess like 2 years on to be standing here and we're both performing at the same show, really exciting. You know, I'm not an artist in my own right, they're an artist in their own right. We're now doing our own thing. It's really like, it's a special way that it's all grown.
I came here with a broken heart that no one else could see. I drew a smile on my face.
Is-sena li għaddiet, Glynn saret it-tieni l-aktar kantanta Brittanika li kisbet l-ewwel post fiċ-charts fosthom bl-album I Cry When I Laugh.
Well, I do cry when I laugh, that's a fact. So I always wanted to like title the album A Fact About Me. And if I was to sum up the album, I'd say it's an album about hope. Tama li Jess Glynn kellha wkoll is-sena li għaddiet meta kellha tgħaddi minn operazzjoni fil-kordi vokali tagħha. It was pretty terrifying. It wasn't a pleasant thing to go through. But, you know, I'm grateful that I had an amazing surgeon and my voice is better than ever and I'm fit and strong now. So, yeah, no, it's been a mad year and, you know, we all have dips in our lives and go through kind of negative patches and that was just one that I went through.
Jess Glynn qalet li tqis lil Amy Winehouse u lil Beyoncé bħala ispirazzjoni u li tixtieq taħdem ħafna ma' Beyoncé. Iżda fuq kollox taqgħet ukoll li tgħaddi dan il-messaġġ liż-żgħażagħ kollha.
My message in life is just, you know, believe in yourself, be strong and, you know, we all make mistakes and we all fall. But as long as you learn from it and you keep going and you see the light at the end of the tunnel, then I believe you'll be all right. And don't be so hard on yourself. It's a really good message for that.
People tell me to be cautious. People tell me not to lose my self-control.
Intant mhix biss l-artista Jess Glynn li tinsab ippreparata l-ispettaklu tal-Isle of MTV waqt konferenza tal-aħbarijiet ftit sigħat biss qabel dan il-festival mużikali, il-mużiċista Grace mill-grupp Clean Bandit fissret l-istil partikolari tal-grupp Ingliż u l-mod li bih iħalltu l-akustiku mal-ħsejjes elettroniċi.
Yeah, you know what it is.
Khalifa qal li beda t-tur Ewropew tiegħu din is-sena u li dan għandu għaddej sa-tieni ġimgħa ta' Lulju. Wara mbagħad mistenni jaħdem ma' Snoop Dogg.
Let's go
Id-DJ Steve Aoki li huwa magħruf li waqt il-wirjiet tiegħu jwaddab il-kejkijiet fisser lil pajjiżna bħala l-aqwa post tal-scuba diving, attività li jagħmel għall-ewwel darba li żar lil pajjiżna. Ftit sigħat qabel il-prestazzjoni tiegħu Aoki kkuntattja lil Afrojack li kien parti mill-Isle of MTV Malta tal-2013 li assigurah li se jkun qed jieħu gost żgur ġewwa pajjiżna.